Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today it's my first time we're going to be cutting aloe vera plant. Okay, so now what I did first, I cut off the side of the aloe vera plant. Here's the side right here, the side of it, and I cut the tail off, the tail end. This is the part we're not going to be using, and we cut the very beginning of it off. Okay, so I already cut 5 pieces. I'm gonna show y'all the 5 pieces. Okay. So okay, I cut 5 pieces. So now we're just gonna cut this in half. See the gel from the aloe vera plant. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna be using jars for my aloe vera. So I'm gonna put the jar right here so you can see. Now with these extra pieces, the part with the aloe vera, some of the aloe vera still on there. When you wash your hair, just use a spray bottle. Don't use shampoo. Don't wet your hair yet, but use a spray bottle with lukewarm water. Spray your hair, and make sure it's, you know, saturated with water. Not too saturated, but you know, just enough. And you get this and you rub it on the side, on the on your hair. Just part your hair and put it on there. What I'm actually gonna do, you guys haven't met Harmony. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash Harmony hair with the pieces of the aloe vera that's still on here. I'm gonna wash her hair with that first. And then if I need more, I'm gonna use what's in the jar. But first, before I use it, I'm gonna put it in the blender and turn it into juice first. That way it won't be so chunky. It's really slimy everywhere. The aloe vera. I didn't cut the side off this. I'm going to show you guys how I cut that off. Just cut the side off. What, Harmony? Huh? Okay. You ready to get your hair washed? Okay. So, I'm done with these parts. I'm going to put these over to the side because this is what I'm actually going to use to rub on her hair first. So that way I won't be wasting the aloe vera plant. Okay. So, this is how much aloe vera I have. The jar. It's not in the blender yet. Okay. So, storing aloe vera plant. We're going to talk about that too. So, all you do, you cut the green part off the aloe vera plant. Okay. Cut the piece off. We basically do the same thing that you did before, but this time we're going to cut the green part off and we're going to store it. Okay. So I have my inside. Let me get this green part off. It's really difficult to handle because of all the gel. Okay. So, this is just a sample. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in little pieces. You can't really see. But I'm going to cut it in pieces. Okay. I cut it in pieces. Okay, I'm going to use a Ziploc bag, or you can use a container, whichever you prefer. I'm going to store it in a Ziploc bag. I've also know that these pieces, the extra pieces that came from off the outside, these pieces, you can actually fry them, and you can have your own aloe vera oil actually. So that's something to think about. But I'm not gonna I don't want aloe vera oil. free. For the most part, just make sure all of the green part is off. And then you can put it in the Ziploc bag. Okay, I have 2 last pieces left. Now, the aloe vera plant does stay fresh in the freezer, not the refrigerator, in the freezer for up to 8 months. But most likely, I'm going to use mine before then. Make sure you get all of the stuff. Okay. We're going to be back, you guys. I'm going to set Harmony up. And then we're going to get to the hair washing. Mom. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now I'm going to apply the aloe vera gel to Harmony's hair. Okay, I'm going to comb your hair for you, okay? Okay. First, I'm going to spray the water. Okay. Just the water on her hair, okay? First thing I'm gonna get is an aloe vera plant. What I'm doing, I'm going layer by layer. Don't do it in like a big old group. Drop the aloe vera plant. Sorry, Harmony. Okay. Now we're going to use the aloe vera mixture. I'm getting this everywhere. Okay, so this is Harmony's hair with the aloe vera. Okay, so now I'm gonna detangle her hair. Let me get this side, Harmony. Let me get this side. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap her hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap her hair in plastic, and it's gonna stay on here for 30 minutes. It's gonna stay on her hair for 30 minutes, and we'll see you guys again. Thank you guys for watching.